Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Hyundai Sonata brake light. First, gather your tools, a new 7440 bulb and a Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is set for safety. Then, open your trunk to get ready to access the tail light assembly. This simple repair can be done quickly at home. Now, let's get to the tail light. Inside your trunk, you'll see two screws holding the tail light assembly in place. Take your Phillips head screwdriver and carefully remove both of these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back towards you to detach it from the vehicle body. Be careful not to force it. With the tail light assembly free, you can now access the bulb. Locate the brake light bulb socket, which is usually the larger one. Twist the socket counterclockwise to unlock it and pull it out. Then, simply pull the old 7440 bulb straight out of the socket. Take your new 7440 bulb and push it firmly into the socket until it's secure. To finish up, reinsert the bulb socket into the tail light assembly and twist it clockwise to lock it. Carefully align the entire tail light assembly back into its original position on the vehicle and push it firmly into place. Reinstall the two Phillips head screws you removed earlier. Finally, have someone check the brake light while you press the pedal to ensure it works correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.